press meet. So the Bodoland Students' Union appealed to the government of India to release the core signatory of the BTR Accord, the founder president Ranjan Demari, immediately. Today, as he is the core signatory and they came for peace in development in this region, so we, the Bodoland Students' Union, wants peace. And we request all the government officials, the administrators, and the government to look after the cause with immediate effect. Because today, Bodoland Territorial Council is going to conduct an election very soon, and we appeal that there should be peace in our region, because we have seen many oppositions regarding the NDB issues and existing government, BPF government, and the like Onaboro and so many organizations is going to come very soon. So, and we appeal to all the people to conduct the election, fair election. There should not be any misunderstanding, any violence. So we want free and fair election in the coming BTC election. And with regard to the founder president Ranjan Demari, as he is now in the jail, and according to BTR agreement, because he has come to the overground now and he has withdrawn his arms, now he should be free, because he has signed a big peace agreement with the government of India, and he should be free very soon, because if he is taken back to jail, then there might be a misunderstanding and violence in our region. So with regard to this, Ranjan Demari is going to jail. We'll be organizing a bike rally with all the stakeholders, with People's Joint Action Committee, Bodoland Students' Union, and with the youth, BPF youth, and all the fraction of NDFB. And we appeal to the government of India. The people will not rest if he is not, if the Ranjan Demari is not released, and accord will be the meaningless one. So we appeal to the government of India to release the core signatory and the founder president Ranjan Demari very soon. Thank you.